What would you say if I told you that there was a guy who was almost $100,000 in credit card debt? He had failed stores, wrong products, bills stacking up after walking away from a stable job at Amazon. And today he has built not one, not two, but 8 different t-shirt brands that each crossed $1 million in sales, all from his computer and utilizing Claude AI to help him with his designs. Now this guy's name is Chris Heckman. He had no design degree, he had no investors, just a laptop, that mountain of debt, and the stubbornness to keep going when everything around him was telling him to quit. He stated in a recent interview that he had been seeing videos about print on demand and basically said, like, what the heck, because it's a no risk business model. He didn't have to have the inventory, he didn't have to have a warehouse, and that what the heck moment turned out to be the best decision of his life. It is what made him a multimillionaire a couple times over. The craziest part that I think is that he did it selling t-shirts, the thing that you're probably wearing right now and the thing that you have probably said, nobody can make money selling those anymore because it's so oversaturated, right? Well, if any story has proven that theory wrong, it's his. And today I'm going to break down exactly how he did it, how I started this all in 1 hour, and more importantly, how you can start doing the same exact thing. No gatekeeping, no fluff. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first is, what is print on demand? For anybody out there who does not know and you're new to this idea, print on demand is honestly the most beginner friendly business model to get started with. If you don't have a lot of capital up front, here is the really simple version, is that you create a design, you put it on a product through print on demand, let's say like a t-shirt. You're going to list it in an online store that you have connected to the print on demand platform. When somebody buys it, a printing company like Gelato prints that design on the shirt, packages it up, and ships it directly to the customer. So you are quite literally never seeing the t-shirt, you are never touching it, you never have a garage full of inventory. The printing company handles all of the sales. All you're doing is focusing on 2 main things. You are making designs that people want, and then you're getting those designs in front of the right eyeballs. So what I want to do now is go ahead and do a deep dive into the steps that Chris himself broke down in one of his most recent interviews, the best shirts to choose from for your shop, the best way to use AI to get easy designs, how to do mock-ups, and then lastly, how to market. Okay, so step 1, and this is the step that many people overlook, and that is research. Chris talks about how important it is to find some really great product ideas based on what's already performing, and the only way to do this, you guys, is through doing a little bit of research. Luckily, I'm going to walk you through this, so I hope that you guys have your computer out. So method number 1 is going to be to check what's already selling on marketplaces. Go to Etsy, go to Amazon, type in the niche or the type of shirts that you're interested in. Let's say you like hiking, type in hiking t-shirt and look what comes up. You can then sort by the best sellers or the ones that have the most reviews. Pay attention to what those top designs look like, okay? What are they saying? What's the style? Are they funny? Are they minimal? Are they retro? You're not looking to copy anybody. You're just studying the market at this point, and there is a big difference between those 2 things. Method number 2 is going to be use AI to your advantage, specifically Claude AI. This is one that is being talked about all over YouTube, and for a really good reason. You can literally go to Claude AI and say something like, give me 20 funny t-shirt slogans for people who love fishing, along with a design to go with each one, and it will literally spit out ideas in seconds, and really good ones too. One of the main things that Chris stated in his interview, I'm going to have that interview linked down below, but he stated that he will go to his best sellers. He'll take a screenshot of one of his best sellers with the design, the saying on it and everything like that. He'll take it over into Claude AI. He'll drop it into Claude and tell it, hey, give me some variations of this best-selling design. And Claude will not only create a variation of like a funny quote, but it'll also create the variation of the design that the quote is around for the t-shirt, and a lot of times those become his best sellers. So AI is that brainstorming partner that never sleeps. Use it. Now the second thing you need to do after you have done that research is you need to go in and you need to set up stores, okay? You need to set up 2 main stores in the beginning. That is your seller storefront, so like Etsy, Shopify, and then also your print on demand platform. For today we're going to be using Gelato. Gelato is free to get started with, and I am going to have a direct link in the the description box down below. If you just want to click it, you can get signed up there. Also, like I stated, for the example of this video, I opened up a new t-shirt shop from scratch for myself. I opened up the Etsy shop and everything in around 15 minutes. That way I could honestly give you guys an idea of how fast you can get this done. The main thing you're going to need is to have your ID ready. You are going to have to pay $29 to open up your shop, or you can select the $10 a month plan that also gives you credits for uploading listings into your shop. With the same email that you've opened your new Etsy shop with, you are going to want to go to the stores tab in Gelato, and you are going to want to connect to Etsy, Shopify, whichever one you choose, and that way you have that seamless integration. And that means when you create a product, you upload a design onto a product, which I'm going to go over with you in this video, and you publish it, it's going to connect to your storefront automatically, and that product will be for sale in your storefront automatically. You make the sale, Gelato prints and ships it, you collect the profit. Now, Gelato does offer the top 3 t-shirt brands that Chris mentions in his interview are the top 3 best sellers in his shop, and that are like, you know, the convertible or whatever, the best car of t-shirts. I definitely want to give you guys these on screen so you guys can see them and have them take a screenshot. The number 1 best seller that he stated the best quality is Comfort Color 1717. The second best is the Gildan 64,000, and then the third best is the Bella Canvas 3001. I hyper focused on this and set up a completely new store, uploaded a new product in around an hour and a half to give you guys a really realistic time frame to expect. Keep in mind, I've done this before. I have a successful Etsy shop. I don't pay a lot of attention to it, but I do have it, so I have experience with this. So it may take you a little bit longer in the beginning. Just give yourself time, give yourself breathing room. It's a learning curve if you're new to this, but that's realistically what it took for me. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and move into the third step, and that's creating your designs. So most top selling print-on-demand shirts are text-based. Seriously, go look at what's crushing it right now on Etsy, TikTok Shop, Amazon. A lot of it is just a really clever, funny phrase or just one word in a nice font on a Comfort Colors t-shirt. If you have zero design skills, do not be scared. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first option is utilizing the Gelato Design Studio. So they have a completely free design studio. It's perfect for beginners and also for a simple text-based design. All you would need to do really is just go in, pick a font, type your phrase, done, upload it into your shop. The second option, if you want to go with more of a design, you can use Claude AI image generator. Now, there are multiple great tools that are AI out there that can generate designs for you, but for this, we're going to be using Claude. So actually, like I stated, this is how Chris does it and showed it in his interview. So I actually tried this. What I did was go to Etsy and search for popular shirts that are selling well in the niche that I chose. I took a screenshot of that design, I cropped it, and then I uploaded it into Claude and told it to create a variation for my specific idea and niche. It gave me this design, which is absolutely adorable in my opinion. And so all I did was remove the background and upscaled it in Canva by just selecting the transparent background right here when downloading, and then also putting the size here to over 3, and that's what's going to upscale the image, and then downloading it into my computer. Then I went to Gelato to add a product to my store, a single product. I chose the Comfort Color 1717, which by the way is under the men's t-shirts, but it is a unisex t-shirt. And then I just went right here, uploaded that design from my computer, moved it around a little bit, previewed it to make sure that it looked good. And then I went through the prompts of uploading it, and this is now in that new shop. I also put it on attractive mockups, and in the next section, I really want to talk about mockups because this is one of the most important factors of whether or not somebody's actually going to click into your shop and purchase anything. I also want to make a quick note here that if you like the design variation that it comes up with for your shop, which I did, it was not exact, it was not copying that shop. It did a complete different variation from it, but it still looked really good and I liked it. You can take your design and you can have that design for the baseline of new like cute sayings or changing up the little animal like I did and have in my shop. So just having Claude create variations of that design or other t-shirts, other products in your shop. So what it is really honing in on the AI tool and having it create variations based on what you like or what begins to sell well. Okay, so let's go ahead and move into the step of mockups and making your shirts look professional, making your listings look professional. So there is a certain look, especially if you're choosing the Etsy seller platform, that really gets the most clicks, that sells the best, and that is, really attractive mockups that typically look a little bit something like this or this, and they were really featuring that comfort colors t-shirt. So just to be really clear, this is a beginner's guide. So your mockup is the photo of your t-shirt that the customer sees when they visit your store. So if your mockup looks cheap, if your mockup looks slapped together, people are not even going to click on that mockup unless you have a really funny design or a really stand-outish saying or anything like that. Most of the time, it's going to get overlooked. On the contrary, if your mockup looks clean, if it looks professional, lifestyle oriented, people stop and then they actually look at your listing. So option number one is utilizing something called Placeit. Now, Placeit is an online mockup generator here. It's the gold standard in the print-on-demand world. You literally pick a template like a model standing in a coffee shop wearing a blank t-shirt. You upload your design, you pick the shirt color, and then boom, you've got a professional looking product photo in around 30 seconds that you can download and use in your shop. Now they've got thousands of templates like lifestyle shots, flat lays, close-ups, seasonal themes, you name it, and an annual subscription runs under $10 a month, and it's really worth every single penny. The second option is to buy a mock-up pack on Etsy. So Etsy actually has sellers that sell mock-up packs for each specific t-shirt brand that I mentioned. So these are PSD files that you open in something like Canva, or you just download onto your computer, and then you have to upload your design on the mockup in Canva. So the benefit here is that you can really find those niche specific mockups. Like if you're selling hiking t-shirts, you can find a mockup pack with models on a trail in the mountains, right? That kind of specific lifestyle mockup makes your brand feel real. Now, a lot of these packs are between $5 and $30, and you get dozens of templates in one bundle. I bought this, okay, for this video so I could show you all. I paid $16 for this pack specifically, and I was really pleasantly surprised to see everything that came in this Comfort Color 1717 t-shirt bundle, because it doesn't just come with literally every single color that's offered in the shirt. It gives you different styles. It gives you models wearing it, models standing, models sitting down. It gives you them folded. It gives them hanging up. Then it also gives you a size chart video, which is huge. It also gives you like a color chart, which is huge. So all of these things are extremely valuable for $16. So you really can't beat it. The only problem with the mockups, it's not a problem. It's just really a learning curve rather, is that you have to get used to spending a little bit more time uploading your new designs onto multiple different mockups that you can then download and upload into your shop. So that's where I found myself running into spending probably like the most time. I would say probably even like 20 minutes per design in the beginning. Once you get used to it, then of course it's going to go by faster. You're going to be breezing through it. And I found myself, even just after like an hour, I was like, okay, I got this. Okay, then you get the hang of it. It's just like anything else. In the beginning though, do not get discouraged and say, oh, this is taking forever. This is going to take me forever. I don't like this. This is taking too long. Give yourself time, invest that time, and then within an hour or two, you're gonna be able to do it. Okay, so the next step is to actually go in and market. Here is where the rubber meets the road. You can have the best designs in the world, but if nobody is seeing them, you are not gonna make any money. So marketing, specifically paid ads, and I know that word scares a lot of people because they're just hearing paid, but hear me out. Starting with Etsy ads, even a low cost, if you're on Etsy, you can start with those low cost ads. It's the best way to get your products at the top of search on Etsy, and they can go as low as $5 to $1 a day that you can invest to get your listings at the top of search. Then you can move into Facebook and Instagram ads. So Meta ads, that's Facebook, and Instagram are where most print-on-demand sellers start, and for a very good reason, because those allow you to target very super specific audiences. So if you have an age range, or you have a brand around hiking, or a brand around cat art, you can target very specific people. So you can say, show my hiking shirt ad to people who are interested in hiking, camping, outdoor activities, and who are between the ages of 25 and 65. So those are very specific targeting that your ads and your money can be going to produce the best return. That level of targeting is absolutely insane, and you don't need an entirely huge budget to test it out. Start with, like I said, $5 a day, and seriously, that's it. Run your ad for a week or two and watch the numbers. From there, you're able to see your return on ad spend, which is ROAS, and then you can then hone in on products that are being clicked on more or looked into more. And there are so many videos, you guys, out about marketing, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Etsy ads, how to get your products in front of people, how to create marketing videos. There's tons of resources that are free here on YouTube. All you've got to do is look them up. All right, you guys, that's the blueprint for how Chris got started himself. I hope that you guys found this video informational, that you took something away from it that you found helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to check out Gelato. It's completely free to get started. They've got all 3 of the best t-shirt designs from a multi-million-dollar t-shirt shop owner. The best 3 brands to offer. Gelato has them all. So do not forget to check out Gelato. Also, if you sign up with Gelato, you do get 30% off your first purchase if you purchase within the first couple of days of opening up your shop. If you want to test the product, feel the product, make videos about your product, whatever it may be. As always, you guys, thank you so much for all of your continuous support on this channel. And I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.